The Cansunna beanbag chair CS100 is crafted from high-grade imitation mink fleece fabric, providing a skin-friendly and fashionable experience with its soft and delicate touch. This beanbag chair features a unique caterpillar-like design that breaks away from traditional furniture stereotypes, making it a stylish addition to any home, apartment, or gaming venue. Filled with high-density memory foam, the Cansunna chair offers exceptional softness and support, while its anti-slip bottom ensures stability and a secure seating experience. Ergonomically designed to fit the human body shape, this chair is perfect for lounging, gaming, or enjoying a cozy nap, offering a warm embrace for relaxation. With no assembly required, the chair is ready to use after a short period of expansion, making it ideal for watching television, reading, or spending family time. The Cansunna team is committed to providing excellent customer service, ensuring any questions or concerns are promptly addressed to enhance the user experience.